Get ready to discover how globalization is shaping the way we live and connect. Are you ready to learn? Have you ever wondered how you can talk to someone from the other side of the world in just a few seconds? Or why your favorite products come from different countries? That's globalization in action. In this video, we'll explore the key characteristics of globalization, its advantages, and how it affects language and communication worldwide. Globalization is shaping the world like never before. Globalization is all about connection. Here are some of its key characteristics. First, interconnected economies. Countries depend on each other for trade and businesses. Technological advancement. The internet and digital tools make global communication instant. The third, cultural exchange. Ideas, traditions, and lifestyles spread across borders. Fourth, mobility of people. Traveling and migration allow people to live and work anywhere. Global markets. Companies expand internationally, making products available worldwide. Globalization connects us like never before. But what are the benefits and advantages of living in a globally connected world? Let's take a look. First, the economic growth. Businesses expand across borders, creating new opportunities. Improved communication. Social media, messaging apps, and video calls make it easier for them to connect with family, friends, and colleagues no matter where they are. How about the diverse education ideas? The students can study abroad, enroll in online courses, and gain more perspectives, making learning truly global. The effects of globalization on language and the communication. First, language mixing. English has become a global language, but how many languages borrow words from each other? Digital communication shows social media shortens words and changes the way we express ourselves. Abbreviations like LOL, BRB, and OMG makes conversations faster, while emojis have become a universal language of emotion. Cultural influence. Slang, idioms, and expressions from different countries are now widely used. You might hear hustle culture from the US, kilig from the Philippines. Globalization connects us all. While it brings challenges, it also opens new doors for learning, business, and communications. How about you? Have you noticed any changes in your own communication style because of globalization?